In this video, I'll guide you through how to track account performance in HubSpot so you can stay on top of your most important business relationships. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for to understand how engaged your accounts are, how deals are progressing, and how active your team has been with each company. To get started, head into HubSpot and look for the main navigation at the top. From there, hover over or click on CRM, then select Companies. Inside the Companies section, you'll see an option called Target Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where HubSpot gives you a focused view of the companies that matter most for your sales and account management efforts. Once you're on the Target Accounts page, you'll notice that it works like a scorecard for your key accounts. Think of this as your performance dashboard. It pulls together several important metrics so you don't have to dig through individual records one by one. Instead, you get a high-level overview that helps you quickly understand what's happening across multiple accounts at once. The first area to pay attention to is engagement. Engagement in this context is all about how much interaction your target accounts are having with your content and communications. HubSpot will show you the total number of email opens, email clicks, and page visits for each account. This information is especially useful for spotting which accounts are showing strong interest. For example, if an account has a high number of email opens and page visits, they're probably paying attention to your messaging and doing research on your site. On the other hand, if engagement is low or dropping, that might be a sign that you need to adjust your outreach or refresh your content. Next, look at deal progress. This is where HubSpot surfaces the total value of open deals compared to your closed-won revenue for each account. Open deals represent the potential revenue still in your pipeline, while closed-won revenue shows what you've already secured from that account. Reviewing these side by side helps you understand both current performance and future opportunity. If you see a large amount in open deals but very little closed-won revenue, you might want to check whether deals are getting stuck in certain stages. If closed-won revenue is strong but there are no new open deals, that could be a signal to plan your next upsell or renewal conversation. Finally, pay attention to activity, which tells you the last time someone from your team contacted that account. This includes interactions like calls, meetings, and emails logged in HubSpot. The last contacted information is crucial for making sure important accounts don't go quiet for too long. If you notice that a key target account hasn't been contacted recently, you can prioritize them for follow-up and make sure they're not slipping through the cracks. As you review this scorecard, use it as a regular check-in tool. Many teams find it helpful to look at target accounts weekly or even daily, especially if account-based selling is a big part of their strategy. Over time, you'll start to recognize patterns in engagement, deal movement, and outreach frequency, and you can adjust your tactics based on what you see. That's all you need to track account performance in HubSpot using the target accounts view. By consistently reviewing engagement, deal progress, and activity, you'll have a clear picture of how your most important accounts are doing and where your team should focus next.